Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you will see me barefaced. I just don't have time to do my makeup because I'm gonna go be a model for a makeup artist today. So I don't see the point doing my makeup and then I have to kind of take it off. So I'm gonna film barefaced today. Sorry, I promise I will be with makeup in other videos. But today I want to talk about Dial Tone April box. I got it a few days ago. I do love their boxes always contain 5 full-size items and it's slim so it fits through your mail box inside, so you can, it's like easy. And this month's box is pretty interesting, let's say. I like it more than I thought I would. So first is this duo from BB Professionals. It contains the color correct, the green and the concealer. Now with concealers, because with this box they don't ask your skin tone. So this concealer I already tried is too dark, so I have to get something lighter to mix in and then I can use it. I do like there is like 2 products, but unfortunately for me this side on its own doesn't work. Next we have something from Manna Kadar, and this is the Beauty Simplified Lip Locked priming lip wand in shade Madame, and this retails for 24 euros. This is super beautiful a shade. I really do like it. I will swatch it here so you guys can see. It's this one here. It's a perfect summer shade and I have tried their products before in Style Down box and I really do love it. I wish they're sold here so it will be easy access. I forgot to mention before, but BB concealer stick is $17.95. Next I have something from Double Dare Spa and it's their mask duo. It's the honey milk dual mask kit. There is 2, step 1 and step 2. It retails for 7 euros, and to be honest I can't wait to do this mask. I love sheet masks and I love this type of mask, so this will go to good use. Then next is a brush. I love a good brush. This is from the brand Emite. And this is the E144 brush. It's called, here it says eyeshadow brush. This is for retails for 24 euros. So if I don't say more about it, because everything is in Dutch and for me it will take a while to read it and then think about it. Do I understand correctly? Because I'm not that fluent in Dutch. So the last item is from Creative Cosmetics and I think it's a local brand here, and this is the eyeshadow primer. It comes in a really little jar like this, and this is how it looks. It does remind me of the look the MAC paint pot, so I will try it out and see how I like it, and I will let you guys know, like, in favorites or if it's a total failable see products I hate video. But yes, this is it for this box. Let's see how much the total value is. So the total value is 91.90 euros. Which I think is good value for the box, but I don't think this should be 18.95, considering it contains 3.4 grams of product. And I mean, like, no. And this brush, why is it 24 euros? Like, you're not MAC brush. Why are you so expensive? But we will see if it's any good. I will let you guys know. Also, I don't think this should be the amount they say it is, because this is drugstore. I wouldn't pay more than, I don't know, 9 euros for it. I don't think it's worth more. Maybe 10, that's it. Comes to close to like 20. It's 17.95 and I think it's overpriced for what it is. And it doesn't even match my shade. So yes, this is it for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give me thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.